This condition is called polyglobulia, and it dramatically increases the risk of dangerous blood clots.
And then comes the second domino. At the same time, low oxygen causes the blood vessels in the lungs to tighten up, to constrict. This drives the pressure inside the lungs way up. It's called pulmonary hypertension. Well, the right side of your heart is what pumps blood into the lungs. Now it has to work against all this incredible pressure. Over time, that strain causes the heart muscle to weaken, grow larger, and eventually fail. That's a condition called cor pulmonale. A problem that started in the lungs has now caused a severe heart problem.